friends, welcome to the Point. In this session, let's discuss about 2003 ceasefire agreement. So recently, India and Pakistan they have issued a joint statement to strictly observe the 2003 ceasefire agreement along the line of control. So what is this 2003 ceasefire agreement and will this ceasefire agreement last? And what are the concerns? Let's discuss about this. 2003 ceasefire agreement. So the ceasefire agreement it was reached in November 2003, 4 years after the Kargil war. So on November 26, 2003, the ceasefire came into effect along the entire stretch of India and Pakistan frontier. So what was this agreement about? So it facilitated the opening of Srinagar, Muzaffarabad and Poonch Rawalkot routes, paving the way for buses, truck services that links to two Kashmirs for the first time in 6 decades, and it encourages to cross line of control contacts, exchanges, travel and trade. So this ceasefire agreement it also enabled India to complete the construction of a fence near the line of control to prevent Pakistan's infiltration of terrorists into Kashmir suspended due to Pakistan's artillery fire. So will the ceasefire agreement last? So this is not the first time that India and Pakistan have agreed to give a peace on the line of control to make the lives of civilians living along the line easy. So this 2003 ceasefire agreement it remains a milestone as it brought peace along the line of control until 2006, and between 2003 to 2006 not even a single bullet was fired by the Jawans of India and Pakistan. But from the year 2006, ceasefire violations it became the norm with increasing frequency, and the recent years it have seen an increasing number of ceasefire violation despite an agreement that reached in 2018 to other the 2003 ceasefire agreement. So what are the concerns? So this concern this puts a question mark on how long this fresh commitment to ceasefire along the line of control it can hold, especially with the summers approaching. So as a matter of annual routine, the terror infiltration bits from Pakistan increases as the summer begins in the Kashmir Valley. So the melting of ice on the high mountains it offers Pakistan an opportunity to foment terrorism in the valley. So for prelims, there may be a question about the line of control. How was it established? What is its geographical extent? And what are the significance of this line of control? And there can also be a question on line of actual control, passes in the region of India and Pakistan, that is Natula Pass, and where is Pongso, and who are the administrators of Akshay Chin Glacier, where is Nakula Pass, and who controls Pangso Lake region. So this type of questions may be asked for the prelims examination. For the mains, they can ask about the significance of Pongso for India and China and all those things. So this is about the 2003 ceasefire agreement. See you all in the next session. Thank you.